Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to get messages, live comments of any YouTube live stream inside your Python application and display it inside command line. So you have seen many YouTube live stream. This is also a live stream where messages can pop in, user can write messages in real time. They can ask questions, they can just write comments for fun. So such live stream, you can just see the typical live stream, the messages, top chat, replay, all these messages which you can see inside these YouTube live stream. You can just scrape these messages using web scrape it using the YouTube live streaming API. So we will be writing a simple Python script which will be scraping all these messages and displaying it in the command line. You can see all these messages that you can see on the right hand side. So this is typically available for every live stream. You just need to provide the URL of the YouTube live stream. Simply provide this URL and then you will get all the messages. So as you know, YouTube have its own APIs. So one such API is the YouTube live streaming API, which allows you to go live, get the messages, sort comments, all that stuff you can do it. But we under this background, it uses this YouTube live streaming API. But in reality, you don't need to apply for any sort of API key. It is completely free and it is unlimited. This Python module is very fantastic, and let me show you the module here. I have written a complete blog post on this topic here, which is this blog post. I have written a given the link in the video description. If you want the full source code, you can get the full source code by going to the description of this live stream and clicking on this blog post to get all the source code. If you're watching it for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So the module name is pretty simple, guys, which is this one, PyTChat. Basically, it's a library which scrapes all the live chat messages and comments from the YouTube live chat. This is a module here. So simply you need to install this module inside your command line. Pip install pytchat. So this will hardly take 5 seconds and it will install it. I have already installed it. So now just open your command line, text editor, guys. So and now we will write this. So first of all, we need to import this module, which is PyTChat. After you import this, in order to now get the messages, first of all, we will say to the user that we can first of all hard code it. So now to get the messages, chat is equal to PyTChat, and there is a method inside this which is create. And then it takes only one argument here, which is the video ID. So here you need to provide the video ID of the live stream from which you need to get the messages. So video ID is nothing. In the last live stream, I have showed you how to extract the video ID from the YouTube URL. You can also do it manually. Simply pick the live stream that you want to pick out this. Let's suppose I want this live stream messages. So this is a video ID. Copy it, and basically I will go into my script, paste it here. This is the you need to surround it like this in double quotes as is a string value. So after that, guys, we will have a while loop. It will run infinite number of time as long as comments are available. While chat is alive, it will keep looping through, and then it will display all the messages inside the chat. Chat get, and then there is a method which is synchronize items, and basically we can print out the name of the commenter who is commenting it. Now to format it is very easy. F like this, c.datetime. We can also print out the time as well whenever the comment was made, and then we can also do print out the author name, which is c.author name, author.name. and then followed by the message, whatever message they have printed out. So c dot message. So you can see that this is the format here, guys. First of all, we are printing out the date, time of the comment. Then we are printing out the author name, whichever have whom has made the comment, YouTube username, and then followed by the comment or message. So now if I run this script, guys, now just notice how it fetches all the messages. It will take some time before, because the live stream is just starting. So whenever the messages pop in, it will display those messages and then it will not stop. At starting, it will take some time depending upon the live stream, how messages firstly appear, how lately it appeared. So it will take some time. So just make sure you will see all these messages will be same. You can see that, guys. Now the messages are starting to appear. I think the all blacks is, if you match this, you can see this is the same message which is scraped here. You can see that it is displayed along with the author name, which is Ryan Sims. You can see that. You can see the date as well, 2022, 16 July. So you can see it was streamed on 16 July. And this is the time here, 11:34:07. So it also tells you the time as well, the name of the user, like this. I don't know why it is taking too much time, because I have tried for very many live streams, but let me try out different URL and see. Uh, Let me open once again. Let me put this. Just change the video ID and now again run this. Let me again just find out a popular one, because I don't think so. For the messages to pop in, it needs to be a popular live stream, because many a times messages will pop in lately. So that will be a problem. So just pick a live stream which is very popular. Just at the starting messages pop in. Let me now take this example. You can now see. You can see that Pujara se nahi hai. You can see that all these messages are putting it in real time. So it's a popular live stream. So at just starting it, the messages popped in. So that's why it typically depends upon the timing of the messages. Whenever the messages have taken place, it will scrape it. You can see the time as well. You can see that. You also need to be very careful, because if you do it a lot of time, it can also put you on a timeout, because it is doing it. It is scraping from the YouTube website using their API in the background. It is completely free, but you need to be careful by doing this. You can see that it will run in the background and you will get all the comments. So it's a very good Python script. It is a very good library I found out in internet. So I just wanted to share it. You can see that. You can also share it, save it in a JSON file or a CSV file if you want to just sort these comments accordingly to a username, or you need to get specific comments. You can search it. If you have a YouTube channel, then it's a very good script to get all the comments if you want to discuss, if you want to read it later on. So it's a very good script. So if you want to make it dynamic without have to manually paste the YouTube video ID, so I have given this source code. You can go to the description of this live stream. This is a source code which makes it dynamic. So basically no longer you need to put the video ID. So you just need to put the YouTube live stream URL, complete URL. And now basically if I run this same thing, it will be quite easy. You don't need to go to the URL and extract the video ID. It will be automatically extracted. So now it will ask you this, please enter the YouTube live stream URL. So simply go to and paste all this, copy it, paste it. So now it will start fetching all the comments. So this is a Python script, guys. Hopefully you will like it, that it is extracting all the live comments and messages of the users which are commenting on your live stream. So it is very much useful for YouTubers and also for viewers as well to get all the comments of a specific live stream. The link will be there inside video description of this live stream. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and also share my channel with your friends. Until then, thank you very much.